Okay, so I've just spent the last 2 months enjoying driving this thing around, so I haven't had a chance to make a video, but it is road registered now. The thing that I changed, just because younger drivers, I had to patiently kind of change lanes and make sure that I'm watching others. So we changed the reverse lights into indicators, and these are actually the reverse lights now. So let me go ahead and turn on the hazard. See, I don't know if you can see that. There you go, the amber. And then those are just really bright floodlights, which are reverse, which work amazing at nighttime. Added the fluffy dice. Got the Ford emblem on the dash as an extra. I still want to figure out, I want to see if I can like look up and see where the Ford emblem goes, and then if there's something else that goes there. Just washed it down. Paint's rough, but that's alright. But yeah, so I've taken it to 2 car shows now. It's been awesome, people love it. Haven't had a chance to buff it yet. I buffed the aluminium a little bit. I buffed this by hand, come up pretty nice. Looks pretty nice, drives amazing. Haven't had any issues. We took it to the drive-in cinema and we watched with the kids that new Minecraft movie, and started the car after like 2 hours of having the reds on. So everything, the dash instrument, my temperature gauge, my radio is on, and yeah, we could just start it up after the movie, and it's been really cool. I got this thing, which is it's like a website where if you type this number in onto this app, you like collect this car on like a card. It's a cool little, it's like Pokemon cards but for cars and car meets. So check that out, it's pretty cool. An Aussie guy created that, but look at that. Oh yeah, that's right, I got baby anchors put in by a proper actual install guy. 2 baby seats, beautiful. And then I kept the original, but I asked him to also just upgrade me brand new seatbelts, because safety, right? Why not? So I've got the original seatbelts, but these are what's in the car now. And what else? I think that's it. What else did I do to it since last time? No, that's it. So just those baby anchors, the lights, and just driven it around for the past 2 months and been enjoying it, and so many people love it, and it's awesome. I'll include some of the footage. There is a guy on YouTube who records the car shows that we went to. His name is Mr. GT. I'll put some of the footage from his YouTube and also a link to his YouTube.
I love the idol of those things. Check out this American beauty.
Don't know that one. So you can check that out. My car's in there for all of like 10 seconds, I think. Yeah, but it's been awesome. It drives like a dream.